I know. You're probably thinking, I thought Instagram was all about a consistent, beautiful feed. Now I have to worry about Instagram stories too? Well, yes. Even though your feed is still a crucial part of your marketing strategy, you need to be incorporating stories as well. With 500 million people watching Instagram stories every day, it's an easy way to get more eyeballs on your profile. So how do you do it? Is it by putting up cat videos or videos of your kids eating? Well, in this video, I'm going to go through the best practices for growing your following using Instagram stories. Now, I will warn you, there is no hack or secret trick that is going to explode your profile. But if you follow these tactics and apply them consistently, you will grow an engaging following. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I have created a free Instagram bundle that will help you grow your following. So make sure to head to the link in the description below to download it. So the first thing is using Instagram stickers and story features. So by adding stickers to your Instagram stories, you are increasing engagement and the opportunity to be found by other people who don't already follow your page. There are many different types of stickers available for you to use. So let's go through some of the most popular. The first is location stickers. So by using this sticker, you are able to tag a city or a location that you are at. By doing this, you are now more discoverable by anyone that is in that location or city, even if they aren't following you. So for example, you could tag a local coffee shop in your area, or if you're on vacation, don't forget to tag tourist spots or cities to open yourself up to people in that location. Next is hashtag stickers. You can add up to 11 hashtags to an Instagram story. And just like location stickers, an Instagram user can watch the stories posted under that tag, even if they're not following you. I would recommend trying out different numbers of hashtags and hashtags with a different volume, so 500 to 500,000, to see what brings the most eyeballs to your content. Next is mention stickers. So this is a good way to build a collaborative community. So tag other accounts that you have worked with or that are featured in your stories. You can tag up to 10 other accounts per story, but don't use this as an opportunity to be spammy. By tagging a user in your story, this also gives them the opportunity to reshare it on their stories, again exposing you to a new network of people. The next is polls, questions, chats, etc. By encouraging audience interactions on your stories, you are able to boost yourself in Instagram's algorithm. So the more that a user interacts with your Instagram stories, the more likely your posts will show up in their feed. So use the poll feature to gather feedback on your products, your services, gain insights on ideas, or simply entertain your followers. So next, you're going to want to watch other accounts' Instagram's stories and engage with them. So Instagram tends to share accounts that are using stories often. So the more you engage with account stories, watch them, and post them yourself, Instagram will give you those brownie points. So by posting to your story every couple hours, Instagram will put you to the top of the queue on the newsfeed and the Explore page. One trick to drive engagement is to ask your followers to send you a direct message for more information or to access a freebie, a new product launch, etc. This is a great way to drive people to your inbox, build relationships with your followers, and again, increase the likelihood that your posts will end up in their feed. The next thing is you're going to want to add links to your Instagram stories. So if you have a business profile and over 10,000 followers, you are able to add links to your stories. Including this swipe option will allow you to include more links than just your bio, which will help you drive more traffic to your website, blogs, videos, etc. So if you don't have this feature yet, don't worry, keep on working. I know you can get there. Finally, you're going to want to track your success with analytics. When you have a business Instagram account, you will be able to see your profile's story analytics. This will give you a better understanding of what's working and not working so that you can fine-tune your strategy. Are your followers engaging with one type of poll or sticker more than another? Have people stopped watching your story in the middle of a post with multiple slides? Testing and tweaking is the best way for any business owner to find success on a social platform. To see the insights for your Instagram stories, head to your profile and select the Insights icon on the top right-hand corner, and then scroll down and tap Get Started in the Story section. Here you will have access to impressions, reach, and other metrics. This will give you a clear view of who is sticking around and who is swiping away. Now that you know the keys to growing your audience through Instagram stories, I would love to know what your favorite part of this video was. Comment below and tag me in your Instagram stories at Wonderment Creative to let me know. My goal is to help all business owners take back time in their business and reach their goals by implementing actionable marketing strategies that work. So don't forget to download my free Instagram bundle below. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly videos.